Earth has had some truly heart-pounding near misses with asteroids. In just a few seconds, we'll explore 10 of the most astonishing close calls that had scientists and the world on the edge of their seats. Let's get straight into it. Number 10. The Chelyabinsk Event, 2013. The year 2013 dawned with an unannounced visitor streaking through the Russian sky near the city of Chelyabinsk. This meteor, although not exactly a pass-by in orbit, was a clear reminder of the power and unpredictability of space rocks heading our way. It blazed across the early morning sky, creating a sudden flash that startled onlookers and lit up entire city blocks. Windows rattled, sirens blared, and people rushed to see what was happening. Even though this meteor actually exploded high in the atmosphere, causing a significant shock wave, it's often grouped among our planet's many cosmic cautions, an unanticipated arrival that made it clear how little warning we might get. The spectacle caused many to look up more frequently and wonder, if something small caused such a commotion, what would a larger asteroid's close flyby feel like? Chelyabinsk was a wake-up call about how frequent these interplanetary rocks can surprise us. Number 9. 2020 QG. Imagine waking up to news that an asteroid whizzed by Earth while most of us slept. In August 2020, asteroid 2020 QG flew incredibly close, coming within a few thousand kilometers of Earth's surface, closer than some of our satellites. This space rock was only discovered hours before its near pass, which sent excitement, and maybe a jolt of nervous energy, through the astronomy community. What stunned experts most was how swiftly it darted by our planet, moving so quickly that pinpointing its trajectory took a bit of detective work. Ultimately, it posed no immediate risk, but the experience hammered home how important it is to watch the skies. If 2020 QG had been bigger, we might be discussing a dramatically different scenario. Number 8. 2011 CQ1. Next, we have asteroid 2011 CQ1, a tiny cosmic neighbor measuring just a few meters wide. Despite its relatively small size, it zoomed uncomfortably close in February 2011, passing at a distance much lower than many weather satellites. In terms of orbital changes, 2011 CQ1 experienced one of the biggest shifts astronomers had seen, all caused by Earth's gravity giving it a cosmic slingshot. While it wasn't large enough to cause widespread catastrophe, the close proximity showed us how easily even small objects can get pulled into chaotic paths. It's also a testament to the gravitational complexities that can alter an asteroid's route around the Sun. Every pass, every flyby, can send these objects tumbling into unpredictably new orbits. Number 7. 2021 UA1. Barely the size of a small vehicle, 2021 UA1 slipped by Earth in October of that year and was only spotted after it had already zipped past. Talk about nerve-wracking. This mini asteroid was traveling rapidly, flying within just a few thousand kilometers. Because of its small size and swift movement, our detection systems simply didn't catch it in time. Despite its potential to burn up in the atmosphere, the real lesson lay in how quickly things can unfold. These smaller objects often go unnoticed until the last minute, proving just how essential it is to keep monitoring the skies for even the faintest hint of motion. One surprising discovery can happen after the fact, prompting astronomers to keep refining their equipment and scanning more frequently. Number 6. 2001 FO32. In March 2021, astronomers and space enthusiasts were abuzz over 2001 FO32. Though it safely passed about 2 million kilometers away, which might not sound incredibly close in everyday terms, on a cosmic scale, that's right next door. It measured nearly a kilometer across, making it a substantial piece of rock. Its speed was another highlight, traveling faster than many typical near-Earth objects. For astronomy lovers, it was a delight, as telescopes around the globe focused on learning everything they could from this large and speedy visitor. Scientists studied its composition, spin rate, and other properties. While it never came near enough to pose a serious risk, it served as a reminder that we live in a neighborhood filled with constantly moving celestial debris. Number 5. 2029 Apophis. Now, here's one that sparked countless debates and doomsday theories: Apophis. Discovered in 2004, this asteroid initially raised concern for its 2029 approach. Early estimates placed its potential Earth impact probabilities alarmingly high. But as more data poured in, scientists recalculated the orbit and assured everyone that it would safely miss Earth, though the pass will be very close, well within the distance of many orbiting satellites. Since then, Apophis has become something of a poster child for asteroid watchers, inspiring improved detection methods and better data analysis. At roughly 340 meters in diameter, it's large enough to cause serious worry if it ever changed course and headed directly for us. But for now, it stands as a captivating subject of study, a cosmic visitor that thankfully keeps a safe distance. If you're enjoying these awesome asteroid tales so far, give this video a quick share or like. It's always amazing to discover how intricate and unpredictable space can be. Number 4. 2012 DA14. 2012 DA14 made headlines in February 2013 for its incredibly close shave, on the very same day the Chelyabinsk meteor made its dramatic appearance over Russia. While that coincidence startled many, 2012 DA14 itself whirled by at about 27,700 kilometers above Earth's surface. That distance, again, is closer than many geosynchronous satellites, stirring wonder and a bit of anxiety among stargazers. Luckily, everything stayed calm. This dual event demonstrated the wide range of cosmic possibilities that might overlap at any given moment, reinforcing why researchers keep pressing for sophisticated asteroid detection technology. Number 3. 2021 GW4. In April 2021, asteroid 2021 GW4 soared by Earth at just over 12,000 miles from the surface, surprising astronomers with another extremely close pass. While not especially large, any encounter of this proximity is a jaw-dropper in cosmic terms. Observatories scrambled to gather measurements, its brightness, speed, potential spin rate. Seeing these fleeting drive-bys helps scientists refine trajectory models for thousands of other near-Earth objects. 2021 GW4's brief cameo showed once again that even when we think we're tracking almost everything in our celestial surroundings, surprises still pop up out of nowhere. Number 2. 2005 YU55. Hovering around 400 meters in diameter, 2005 YU55 approached Earth in November 2011. What made this instance captivating was the comprehensive radar imaging campaign set up around it. Scientists planned well in advance to capture detailed pictures as it flew within 325,000 kilometers of our planet, closer than the Moon. For a brief window, astronomers gleaned a wealth of information. Its shape, nearly spherical, possible surface features, and rotation. The data from 2005 YU55 helped refine how we characterize near-Earth asteroids, ensuring we're better prepared for future close approaches. Its pass was a heart-stopper in theory, yet it quietly glided by without any trouble. Number 1. 2018 GE3. Topping off our list is asteroid 2018 GE3, which startled skywatchers when it swept by in April 2018, barely half the distance between Earth and the Moon. The timing was staggering because it was first discovered just 24 hours prior to its passing. Now imagine if this half-kilometer rock had chosen a slightly different path. That near miss triggered multiple conversations about Earth's readiness to detect incoming objects. It emphasized just how quickly an unanticipated visitor can appear on our doorstep, compelling agencies and observatories to double down on detection networks. 2018 GE3 demonstrated that our cosmic environment is always shifting, and that staying vigilant is our best defense. From quick flybys we barely notice to big space rocks that spark worldwide anticipation, each near encounter reflects the fascinating yet unpredictable nature of our solar system. We've learned how crucial it is to improve our observation tools, track new arrivals, and refine early warning systems. One thing's certain, the sky is full of surprises, and it's up to us to keep our eyes open. Thanks for sticking around for our whirlwind tour of close asteroid shaves. If you enjoyed this countdown and want more cosmic adventures, Be sure to like this video and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the wonders of space. Stay curious, and until next time, keep looking up.